Hey guys, welcome back to the 420 challenge on this beautiful Wisconsin day. That's right, we're back for day number 2 on the 420 challenge. What is a 420 challenge? Well, I get out and I go for a 4-mile walk for 20 days in a row until the date 420. Today is definitely a little extra challenge with the weather we're having. If you guys are regular viewers of this channel, well, recently I talked about how April is my least favorite month of the year. Well, this kind of shows you why. Definitely sick of the cold and snow by this time of year, ready for warmer days. But this is April, that's why I don't like it. But we will deal with it, push through. That's why it's called a challenge. Got to put in my 20 days. Doesn't matter what the weather is. Another thing adding to the challenge today is my choice of footwear. 4 miles in these bad boys. Hopefully it's not too bad. At least it'll keep my feet dry. I've been watching the forecast, as I always do. I'm kind of a weather junkie. And it wasn't the warmest forecast. It was supposed to be in the 50s for most of the week. Then this morning I woke up and pulled my phone out. And guess what? That forecast has changed. It had a little weather warning sign on there, so I clicked on that for winter weather. And it is now saying 8 to 12 inches in the next day or two. At first, it's a shock. But then I say to myself, well, it's April. That's what April does to us. I'm filming this on my phone without my glove in the other hand, hanging on the phone. My hand is now numb. It is about 35 degrees right now with the wind chill coming off the lake. Not very pleasant. And of course, it is snowing. And that's how we're gonna end this video. I'm not gonna sit here with my hand out, freezing, and jab, 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 all walk along. We're gonna cut it short today and let you guys go. But I am here for documentation. It is April 2nd. We're doing a 420 challenge. I'm not even a mile in yet, so I got most of it to go yet. But I'm gonna throw my earbuds in, throw my gloves back on, find a podcast or something on the YouTubes to listen to while I'm walking, and we will call it a day. So I'm gonna let you guys go. We'll be back tomorrow, probably in the snow, and we'll see where it goes from there. Thanks for watching this short video. Take care. See you next time. Hey guys, I had to come back and talk to you for a little bit here. I'm not even halfway. This thing is getting covered with slush. It's getting a bit slick, but I have no choice but to carry on. So let's hope I can stay on 2 feet here. I gotta say, it is quite beautiful. However, not as beautiful as 72 degrees without snow. Anyway, gotta keep on trucking, follow the road ahead. Maybe we'll check in a little bit. Check it out, guys. A beardsicle. Well, the asphalt was getting a little slick. I had to move over to the side into the gravel just so I can keep my traction. So that'll slow me down a bit. But like I said earlier, gotta keep on trucking. The bad thing about this is I'm going in between podcasts, putting my earbuds in and out, and then filming this walk. Now, I'm not exactly sure what lap I'm on. I don't know if I'm on my 2nd lap or my 3rd lap. I think it's only my 2nd, but I'm not sure. I'm not really sure how to figure that out, as I don't even know what time I started walking. Golly. That's brain fog, folks. It's from being a bit on the unhealthy side. I think I'm gonna say, I don't know, this is only my 2nd lap, so it does feel a bit longer than that. I don't know. Hopefully I can figure it out. I'll get back to you guys in a little while. All right, guys, we finally got our 4 miles in. Took a bit longer today dealing with this weather, but I'm gonna let you go. I'll see you tomorrow.